have this one, butterfly in reverse. Gusto ipaalam ng Diyos na kung sino man yung toxic na tao, hindi siya nagbabagong buhay. Kasi pinipilit siya magbago ng Diyos with a toxic in reverse. We got the boss, so yung mga taong yan, kaya sila toxic kasi inisip nila sila ay boss. Okay? We also have the faith in reverse at saka wala rin silang faith sa Panginoon. Kaya siguro inakala nila sila yung makapangyarihan kaysa sa Panginoon. We have the hands here in reverse. We also have the charm. And we also have the balance in reverse. Gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na kapag may tao kayo na nararamdaman niyo yung mga hunches na yan, na hindi maganda about them, layuan nyo guys, okay? Kasi I'm feeling with the charm in either way. Nakawala yung charm niya dahil sa mga negatibong energy na meron siya, okay? And with the balance in reverse, so yung mga tao na yan na feeling nila sila ay boss, naging imbalance sila kasi siguro ginagamit nila yung kanilang kapangyarihan sa kamalian. So, tatanggalin ng Panginoon yung kanilang power to actually threat others kasi, hindi mabuti na yung kanilang ginagawa. So anyway, that's it now with regards to reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your person's situation, and God bless all of you.